Prior to rapid recovery joint replacement surgery, the focus really was on the surgery itself, and then it was placed on the patient to recover on their own at a pace that they felt comfortable with. By trying to help that patient get ahead early and alleviate some of the anxiety and uncertainty that comes along with the surgery process itself, once the time of surgery to come, they're already prepared. It starts by having people select a very supportive care team, both on their personal level and then also tapping into the care team that's a part of the joint replacement division at Henry Ford Health System. The surgery itself is a very brief period. It's something that everybody focuses on, but really it is a small part of the recovery process, and the physical therapy afterward is really key on the recovery process.